What up, guys? The paint just came in. I'm using a tub and tile, Rust-Oleum tub and tile refinishing kit. The wifey wants these all white, so we're gonna do what the wifey says, and we're gonna paint these motherfuckers white. Did a little bit of cleaning on the tile. Like I said earlier, this is gonna be replaced hopefully sooner than later. Everything else seems to be okay. We're gonna see how this paint goes. This is just to show a little bit of before. That's the bathroom right there, window. The floor is the same, so I'm gonna do what it do. Check in a little bit later. What up, guys? It's a check-in. Finished the first coat. As you can see, I haven't done the floor yet because I'm obviously stepping on it, but yeah, that's the first coat so far. And I'm going to start a second one pretty soon. Here's again. Alrighty then, what's up, guys? Here we are again. Day 2 of painting. Second coat. Still need another little finishing coat. I just ordered 2 more. I got the other bathroom to paint, just half of it, so hopefully that'll last me. But spilled a little bit there, the side of the paint. Not ready for the floor yet. Taped off a little bit of area over there, but I guess one more day and we should be finished with this bathroom. Looking okay. And we're gonna evaluate how we like it after we finish painting. In the meantime, I am gonna be working on the closet. This particular closet made here, I'm trying to fit 2 in this space over here. Not the biggest closet, but we're gonna try to fit it in there. It's about 4 feet wide, and these things can get pretty expensive. This is $119 at Home Depot. The drawers, I wanted 3 drawers on one side at least. They're $50 each. So you're at 150 plus 120. You do the math. And we want to do 2 of those, so we're gonna do a little bit of build and get home in time for the Laker game. Let's go Lakers. What up, guys? Checking in with the drawer Closet Made Selectives. Just built my first one. This is the second one put together. I'm gonna come over and put it into the base already. Looking nice and clean so far. Instructions here from the first one. Let's get on to the second one. So here we have the finished base portion with the 3 drawers. I'm gonna put that in the back next to a little bit smaller width-wise on the side, and then we're gonna do some wire racks on the left and the right. The big boss, Natasha, made her decision, and we're gonna go from there. Next up for tonight is gonna be the sliding barn door TV station, designed in the USA. Who knows if it says made in China, actually. Got my helpers, and I don't mean helpers, I mean helper to make a mess. Here are all the pieces out of the box, and just finished doing the one inside, and we're gonna start another one. Let's go. What up, guys? Finally completed the TV stand, the barn door TV stand that Natasha picked out. It's pretty nice. We're gonna go with one that we saw at Costco, but she wanted a white one. The other one was like a grayish, kind of bluish one, but this one's pretty good. Got the sliding barn doors. We do plan on putting a TV on the wall. So whenever we get the TV, we'll put that up there. Xfinity's here now. Installing my internet. But yeah, they're on that bullshit too. I want 3 outlets, and the guy was like, "Oh, I can only do 1." So it is what it is. I would like them to run it down the wall, but they're gonna have to do it through the wall. Again, it is what it is. Alrighty, so on to the next project. There will be many projects coming up. This is a single bed frame, twin bed frame, single bed. That's what I was reading. This is JJ's room. This will be his bed frame. Natasha was going for a farmhouse style decor, whatever, a theme. So we'll bust this baby out of the box. I believe the girls' twin beds are being delivered today, so that'll be in the next project. Got the fans ready to be installed soon. Hopefully the contractor comes today. He was supposed to come yesterday, but he got caught up. So yeah, this is the next project we're gonna be working on. Still trying to figure out if we're gonna use those closets in our main closet. Natasha's looking at a wire system, so we'll update you on that. Coming up soon. Another day, another set of instructions. Got the pieces out the box. About to put this thing together. The girls' beds were delayed and they just got here today, so I'm gonna put those in after this. And we'll check back in. Final completion. Well, it's not final until you put the mattress on. Ah, fuck. Fuck, I said one. Oh. Yeah. Put everything together. Got the boards on, framing, ready for the, what is it? The box spring and the the mattress, ready to go. As we walk over to the girls' room, 2 more beds ready for takeoff. Like I mentioned earlier, Natasha decided she's gonna have this closet system into here, so we'll set that up, put some poles up so they can hang their stuff and put all this crap away. We'll check in after these are done. This is so fun. So I have a little bit of helpers today. Aubrey's dusting, sweeping. Logie is installing the light. Right, Logie? And Gianna is doing some studying on Roblox hacks. She wants to become a hacker.
Oh, good. So wait, this is actually what this says.
Natasha's over there having fun.
But then right after, I was about to pass out. I was like, oh no.
Okay, well, as you can see, we've installed this closet. There's a few different ways you could put it. We put 3 drawers there. I'm gonna put some shelves up here. Just finished attaching the rods. The space here is, I forgot how, like 15, 16 inches. I had to cut the rods with the hacksaw. Wish I had something better, but did the job. I'm gonna do the second side. It only comes with 3 poles. So I can get another pole at Home Depot. They sell them separately, so they're gonna put 2 on each side. And this kind of works out for the girls. You know, they're not that tall, so they hang your stuff here and grab it in the morning. Up here for more stuff that they'll need help with. And see if these drawers work for them. Oh, but this project's almost done here. So just got 2 more poles on that side. I got to cut them. I'm gonna see if I can get a better tool. The beds are pretty much done. Well, they are done. Just need the mattresses and put up all this crap. That's about it. So we finally completed the dresser / closet. I cut the poles in half. About another set of brackets. Got 2 on this side, 2 on that side. I put a little shelf up here to put other shit on there. Storage. Probably winter stuff. You know, we don't use too much winter stuff in Florida, but Gonna put another drawer right here and then a shelf. And this one should be finished, or this finished, but yeah. That's it, beds are in. And this room is pretty complete besides putting all the crap away. JJ's bed, I'm not sure if I showed it, but yeah, this one's finished. Put the mattress in. We're gonna get a desk over here or over here somewhere. And this one will be set too, pretty much. Pretty simple. Bed and a desk for all his studies and shit, you know what I'm saying? We decided to leave this closet pretty much where it was. We got a big shelf up here for stuff. Probably, I'm guessing, some shoes. He's probably a little bit taller than me already, so that'd be a nice little, put some container store shoe boxes up in there. Got some drawers in there, some stuff for the shorts or whatever. I could put some shoes up here too. But yeah, I would think I put a couple of the clear plastic container shoes, probably like 6. Shouldn't have more pairs than that. I'm lucky he doesn't wear my size because probably be wearing all my stuff. And that's it.